And now the deployment is in progress. So we are going to soon see our web app service created. So let's just wait a little bit. Okay, so we have one resources created with a status OK. And our deployment is still in progress and running. Voila, here we have all our resources, so we can go to resources, and here we have our Flask app 01 with its configurations and resources and values. So we have our default domain, which we are going to use to access our application over the internet. We have our resources configured with Python 3.12. So yeah, let's go and see what our application is running right now. Let's paste it here, and we should get access. So currently we have this web application running, which is a default web application that Azure provide, since we have selected Python as our build runtime. So we have this basic, but to deploy our own custom is going to be a really basic application. So we go to Deployment Center, and here we need to select in the settings section our source code repository. For our example, it's going to be a GitHub repository. We need to sign in and authorize it. So I'm going to authorize Azure App Service to talk with my GitHub, and then we select our organization. So organization is your account. Then you have the python.hello world repository, the one that we have recently forked before starting. If you remember, this is the one. Once we have everything selected, we need to click Save. And now what Azure App Service is going to do is going to create a workflow for our web app services within our python.hello world repository. So right now we don't have. If we refresh, here we are, we can see that we have our GitHub workflow created. So let's take a look.